What's going on, everyone? My name is Kasten. I'm 19 years old, and in this video I want to talk about something that most people my age don't think about but should, and that's investing early. I started looking into investing not because I had a lot of money, but because I kept hearing one idea over and over again. The earlier you start, the easier it is to build wealth over time. So, in this video, I'm going to explain why I personally invest in VOO and why I think it's one of the simplest and most effective options for young people who are just getting started. VOO is an exchange trade fund that tracks the S&P 500. In simple terms, when you invest in VOO, you are investing in 500 of the largest companies in the United States. Instead of trying to pick an individual stock, you are investing in an overall market. That approach helps reduce risk because your money is spread across many companies. If one company performs poorly, others can help balance that out over time. The market has historically grown, and VOO is designed to follow that growth. The biggest advantage young people have is time. When you start investing early, your money has more time to grow through compounding. That means your returns begin to generate their own returns and over time. That growth can become something significant. Even small, consistent investments can build into something much larger over time. The key is not starting with large amount, but starting early and staying consistent. A lot of people delay investing because they feel like they don't have enough money or think they can start later. But waiting removes your biggest advantage, which is time. VOO is often a strong starting point because it is simple, low cost, and does not require consistent attention. It allows you to focus on long-term growth instead of short-term decisions. Getting started is straightforward. You can open a brokerage account, deposit funds, and begin investing. The most important part is staying consistent and thinking long-term. In the long run, starting early can put you in a completely different financial position compared to most people your age. Now, I want to go a little bit deeper into VOO because understanding why it works is just as important as knowing what it is. One of the biggest strengths of VOO is that it follows the S&P 500, which represents some of the strongest and most established companies in the US. These are companies that have already proven themselves over time. So, when you invest in VOO, you're not betting on risk or unimproved businesses. You're investing in companies that are already leading the economy. Another reason VOO stands out is because it automatically adjusts over time. The S&P 500 isn't static. Companies that perform well stay in the index, and companies that fall behind can be replaced. That means your investments is consistently being updated to reflect the strongest companies in the market without you having to do anything. That's a huge advantage, especially for beginners. Another key point is that VOO is designed for long-term investing, not short-term trading. The market will go up and down in short term, that's normal, but historically over a long period of time, it has tended upwards. VOO is built to capture the long-term growth rather than short-term movements. On that note, VOO is a simple long-term investment option for people our age. It allows you to invest consistently and let your money grow over time without active management. Over the long run, compounding returns becomes the main drive of growth. Thank y'all guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.